Why is it necessary? Necessary what, you might ask? I'm glad you asked. I mean, necessary to impact the camera. Why is it necessary nowadays? Why? Well, it's simple. Because nowadays everything is video. Everything has become acting. Whether you're a real estate agent, an influencer, or an actor, you need the camera lens to kind of reach out to your followers, make your sales pitch, or shoot a self-tape that will book you the next role. So if you're not handling the camera, you're not handling the future. And therefore, you get everything you need to know on a 3-hour acting on camera, highly condensed, super powerful, and wonderfully entertaining masterclass on the 17th of September. Who is organizing all that? The Coach MC Studio. I'm glad you asked again. It's me, 35 years of acting experience, 25 years of being in entertainment industry, and over 10 years of being a coach, handling all these lunatics out there and beautiful clients and wonderful acting students. And now you're gonna get all my knowledge in 3 hours. So make sure to register. It's on Eventbrite, or you can DM me also. Jump into that masterclass. It's gonna be a fantastic opportunity to step up your game and to learn something crucial for the future and for yourself. See you there.